What you eating?
Carrot.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna eat it all?
Mm-hmm.
You want more?
Mm-mm.
You wanna try it in some ranch? Some dippy?
Mm-hmm.
Keep going. Yeah, got chewed up good. Oh yeah. Chomp it. Just like Bugs Bunny. Yeah, it gives you energy. Okay, stand still. You don't want to get choked. Ooh, yeah. Chew it up good. Hold still. You're still chewing. Is it all gone yet?
Almost.
Was that a good carrot?
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't bad at all, was it?
Mm-mm.
All right, so now we know. If you want her to eat carrots, you got to promise her ice cream.
Ice cream.
You ready for ice cream?
Uh-huh. It's all gone.
Okay.